We've then collaborated with LG once again in the design of this space here in Milan, titled Redefining Space. And Redefining Space is in sort of two parts. Firstly, the on-screen film, which takes a look at vivid video taken from the natural world, both at the very largest scale down to the microscopic in scale. And this is then contrasted with ambient lighting effects through cutouts within the set walls, really reminiscent of light passing through a window.
I think this new feature will even more integrate technology into environment. It can be part of architecture, it can be part of furniture, supporting the idea of integration in that way that you have an on and an off state. When it's off, we don't have it, and when it's on, you have the full attention.
I like it very much. I like the location here, which you are standing, and the design of this pavilion from Foster and Partner. I think it's for LG as a great experience to be here, and with your fantastic products, you are very good here on this platform of the Design Week in Milan.